All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So I currently have a few AI or rental rigs set up. We are not doing any crypto mining with them. We have turned off all crypto mining workloads on the platform. If you saw my previous video, sometimes they get jobs, sometimes they don't get jobs. But when they're not getting jobs, they burn significantly less power. We're going to be doing some plugins and show power over time, that kind of thing, what they idle at, what they're at full tilt. But for today, the one thing that I wanted to talk about is spacing and placing. So right now, I just have these sitting on top of a motherboard, and I have a big graphics card in there. And some of these graphics cards, these are only 3060s, but they're heavy and they're just not optimal, especially when you have little kids. And I do have little kids, and they're in and out of the garage constantly. So I am going to be housing these. This is a unforeseen slash potentially unneeded situation. Not everybody's going to have to house them inside of a case, but for my situation and for ease of moving them around and plugging them back in, that kind of thing, I think putting them in cases is going to be beneficial. My idea is I want to find, and I'm going to be searching for them, a case with good decent airflow that can fit bigger cards, because I do want to upgrade these 3060s up to 3090s or 4070s, 4080s, 4090s, that kind of thing, so they can produce more. So I need them to have a big enough room on the inside, but not too big. And then I want to be able to stack them up. So lay them on their side and stack them up. So that means really they don't need to have like a see-through side window or anything like that. Now I do have some cases here. Hold on, bear with me. I have one case here, I believe. Let me get that one open. I got that one from Mobius Computers down in Princeton, North Carolina, and they cut me a really good deal on these. They are a BitPhoenix dealer, but I don't think this is going to serve me good for these AI rigs. All right, so just getting this bad boy open. This is way too pretty for me to be using for like stackable rigs, and I really don't like the glass side panel, which is, it's crazy because in this day and age these are fairly budget oriented cases, and they're decently built, good airflow all through the front, got single fan on the back, and then got room to put dual fans on top. But that it's just not going to serve my purpose. I'm probably going to throw this together because I have a couple people interested in like a PC build. But oh, that got me to thinking. Hold on. Sorry guys, my garage has turned into an inventory nightmare. I got some lumber coming next week actually, and I'm planning on building like some shelving racks over here. But regardless, y'all don't need to know that. So I have these systems, and they're already in. These are Xeon. The only issue is these are quad cores, but they're already in cases, and look how well they stack up. So this is my idea of flipping systems on their side and stacking them, and then just having them run. And they're, at that point, fairly stable, fairly secure. If need be, I could run some 2x4 framing around them just to hold them so they don't fall over and, hurt one of my kids or something like that. But this is kind of the idea. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 systems stood up right there, and they're all fairly secure. I was thinking I could potentially throw some graphics cards in these, but I don't think these 4-core Xeons are going to do well. From my experience, 6-core and up processors are definitely the way. But if you're wondering about, I don't think I can use those cases either because they're not ATX. So, but no, if you're wondering about more information on doing the rental and AI stuff, because I've had a bunch of people since I did the video yesterday reach out to me and, oh, what am I doing wrong? What's wrong with this? What's wrong with that? I am going to be doing some full how-to videos, and I'm actually going to make a playlist, and it's going to start from the beginning. So we're going to talk about everything that I have learned up until this point, which I still have a lot to learn. Don't think I'm no guru by any means. So there's still plenty of knowledge to bring in. But anyway, guys, just making this quick video just to get some thoughts out there. What you guys think? Do you know any good cases that will fit that use case? And yeah, so anyway, y'all have a good one. Peace out, and I'll see you tomorrow.